Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Power here and I'm back with one more video. In this video, we will see the performance for 11th May. 11th May, I had given these calls and what is the performance? What is the performance of 11th May Nifty Bank Nifty option calls that we are going to see in this video. In the first place, I would like to tell you people I am giving two types of calls to my clients. The first call is this call. This is Nifty Express. If you can read here, this is Nifty Express. Nifty Express means these calls are given one day before. These calls are pre-market calls. These calls are pre-market calls. These calls are given one day before in the night. So these calls the client can see after 8 p.m. After 8 p.m. he can see at 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m. or next day 8 a.m., 9 a.m. he can see these calls. So these calls are given one day before. So on 11th May I had given these calls 11th May with the expiry of 14th May, Nifty call and put, Bank Nifty call and put. So these calls are given and how to trade on these calls, there are rules. These are the rules. These are the rules which we follow for the trading. If you go ahead and if you can see here, this is Nifty Express. This is the website equityfact.com where you get these calls. You have to log in. You will get ID and password to see this call. So you have to first log in to see these calls. Other person cannot see these calls on website. Only the person who had joined paid services, he will get the ID and password and only that person can see these calls. So this is Nifty Express. This is Nifty Express, and if you scroll down here, you will see the videos. You will see all these videos here, and how to trade on these calls. You will find very fine details. You will get all the details. These videos are in English, this video is in Hindi, and you can see these videos. They are almost 30 minutes video each, so you will get all the details as how to trade on these calls. But now, for example, on 11th May I had given these calls. So what happened on 11th May? 11th May market opened with a big gap up. Market opened with big gap up, and these calls, Nifty call 9300 and Bank Nifty call 19400, opened above the target, opened almost around or above the target. So we can see here, this is 11th May, this is 11th May, and you can see this is call 9300, this is call 9300, and entry price was 132.06. so you can see here it has opened above 134. It has opened above 134. That opening you are able to see, but within 1 minute or within 2 minutes it has hit the target. Within 1 minute it has hit the, within first 5 minutes you can check it has hit the target. So this level of buying 132 never came. This never, traders were not able to trade, or traders were not able to catch this level 132. In Bank Nifty call 19,400. You can see open 571.75. This is call 19,400. This is data for 11th May, and you can see here the entry price is 491, but target is 577. It opened around 572 was the open. 572 was the open, and target was 577. So within first 5 minutes the target was hit. The target was hit within 5 minutes. So in this case, these calls become invalid. These calls become invalid. We cannot trade on these calls if targets are hit in the opening itself. If the options open above the target, or targets are hit within first 2 3 5 minutes, or if the targets are hit within opening itself, these Nifty Express calls are unusable, they are invalid. So what the clients do in this situation? In this case, if the targets of Nifty Express are hit within the opening itself, in this case the traders then leave these calls, they ignore these calls, they are asked to ignore these calls, they are asked to leave these calls, avoid these calls, and wait for fact signal calls. This is fact signals. So this were the pre-market calls which were given one day before at 8 p.m. on the same website, equityfact.com, where there is Nifty Express. You can see fact signal also. Any client who has subscribed to Nifty Express has got access to fact signals for free. There is no charges for fact signals separately. So the client has to log in. Once he looks at Nifty Express and Nifty Express calls have hit the target in opening, then he will not look at Nifty Express calls and he will wait for fact signals, and fact signal calls are updated at 10:15 a.m. These calls are updated at 10:15 to 10:30. This is the call timing, 10:15 to 10:30. If these calls are updated at 10:30, I will write 10:30. If the calls are updated at 10:15, I will write 10:15. So on 11th May, Nifty Express calls went invalid. These calls went invalid, and that is why I updated fact signal calls at around 10:30, and these calls were given in fact signal. So in these calls, call 9400 was not activated. So after 10:30, Nifty call 9400 has not crossed this entry price. Call has not crossed this entry price. Bank Nifty call has not crossed this entry price. Only puts crossed the entry price on 11th May. 11th May, only puts crossed the entry price, and what happened we can see here. This is put 9400. It crossed the entry price after, you can see here, it crossed entry price here, you can see, and then you can see target was 168.89, put target was 168.89, and it has hit 253. It has hit 253, so target was hit. See, it opened around 178, but it went down 111. It went down to 111. So when these calls were updated, at 10:15 or 10:30. That time it was below 144.30. It was below 144.30, and these are the rules we will see in detail. First, we'll check what happened with the Bank Nifty put 19,400. So Bank Nifty put 19,400. Also, this is 11th May data. This is Bank Nifty put 19,400. It also has hit the target because the entry price was 476.65 and target was 571.88. It has hit 710. It has hit 740 and it has closed 710. So Bank Nifty put has also hit the target, and Nifty put has also hit the target. So here in this video we are understanding that I am giving two types of services. One is Nifty Express, other is fact signal. If the client subscribes for Nifty Express, he will get fact signal for free. If this Nifty Express calls are updated one day before at 8 p.m. Next day, if market opens with gap up or gap down, like for example on 11th May, market opened with a big gap up and the Nifty call and Bank Nifty call hit the target in the opening. If this situation happens, then ignore Nifty Express calls and look into the fact signal calls. Fact signal calls are updated at 10:15 to 10:30, and on 11th May, calls did not cross the entry price. Only puts, Nifty put and Bank Nifty put, crossed the entry price, and both have hit the target. Now, what are the rules for fact signal? Rules of trading of fact signal. You can see, you can click on the video and you can see the rules here also. I am again repeating rules in this video. The rule is entry in the trade only when call or put crosses its entry price. Means if call crosses the entry price, then buy call. If put crosses the entry price, then buy put. We are not buying both here. We will buy only call or only put which is crossing entry price after call is updated. Means after 10:15 or 10:30, when call is updated, when client saw the call, after that time this entry price should be crossed. It means what happened in the morning, what is high, what is low, just ignore it and just see if call is crossing the entry price or put is crossing the entry price. If put crosses entry price, then buy put. If call crosses entry price, then buy call. But this should happen only after 10:15 or 10:30 when calls were updated. This is the rule. If option opens with gap up, then wait for given buy and sell level. So this rule number 2 is invalid for fact signal, because it is about gap up and gap down. That is already we are discussing here. If there is a gap up or gap down, we will see fact signals. Double the quantity of second trade when stop loss hit. It means if you entered into put, but put did not give you target, but it hit the stop loss, then wait. If you entered into put, it did not give you target, but it hit the stop loss, then exit the trade. Then exit the trade. Please listen carefully. If Nifty put, you entered into Nifty put, it did not hit the target, and if it hit the stop loss, exit the trade. Exit the trade and then wait for the call to activate. Wait for the call to activate. Do not buy call immediately after put hits the stop loss. Do not buy the call immediately after put hits the stop loss. Exit and wait for call to activate. If call activates, then buy double quantity of the call. If you bought one lot of put, then you buy 2 lots of call, so that one lot recovers your loss and one lot gives you profit. But if you exited trade here after stop loss and call also did not activate, if call also did not activate and again put only activated, you exited the put trade, you entered into put, it did not hit the target, it hit the stop loss, you exited the trade, but after this call did not activate and again put itself activated again, then you enter into put again with double quantity, that is 2 lots, 1 lot book on the target, other lot you can hold. Same rules for Bank Nifty. Now if target is hit, like for example we will see in detail on 11th May this has happened. Target was hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade with, if target is hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost for Nifty Express. For Nifty Express, it is a stop loss on cost. Why? Because it is a pre-market call. Here trade activates. At 9:15, 9:20, 9:30. The trade activates very early. That is why you can put your stop loss on the cost. But in fact signal, you cannot do that, because here the trade activates around 11 o'clock. From there it can fluctuate up and down, and it can come back to the cost also. So for fact signal, you have to trade with the stop loss, original stop loss. If target is hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. This is for Nifty Express, and with the stop loss, with the original stop loss is the rule for fact signal. For fact signal, if target is hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 p.m. with original stop loss. If target is hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 p.m. with original stop loss. Original stop loss. This is the rule for fact signal. Then, if target is not hit, stop loss is also not hit, then you can carry for 1 or 2 days till target or stop loss is not hit. You entered into put and target is also not hit, stop loss is also not hit, you can carry it for one more day. Maximum 1 or 2 days, your target or stop loss will be hit. If stop loss is hit on both sides, if you entered into call, it hits the stop loss. If you entered into put, it hits the stop loss. If stop loss is hit on both sides, then stop the trade for the day. Rule number 7. If pre-market calls in Nifty Express open above target, then avoid and follow live market calls in fact signals. This is all about this video. So let us see what happened on 11th May. On 11th May, these are two examples. One example is only with one lot, a trader who is trading trades with one lot, a trader who is trading with two lots, and these calls are fact signal calls. So in fact signal, Nifty put 9,400, it crossed 144.30, this entry price, and now we will take the example of one lot trader. So this trader is trading with one lot of Nifty, one lot of Bank Nifty, one lot of Nifty, one lot of Bank Nifty. So what he should do? See, in fact signal, we will hold the trade with original stop loss. We will hold the trade with original stop loss. So if he is trading with only one lot, what he should do? If trader is trading with only one lot in fact signals, what he should do? He should do something like this. He will exit either Nifty or Bank Nifty, Nifty or Bank Nifty, any one on the target. Here Nifty put activated and the trader has exited on target, exited on target. Nifty put, he exited on target and made a profit of 1844, whereas target was 168.89, day high was 253, but he exited on target and made a profit of 1844. Why he did that? He did that because he was holding one lot of Bank Nifty and he was holding that Bank Nifty put with the original stop loss. He was holding the Bank Nifty put till 3:20 p.m. till day close with original stop loss. So for it means if you are trading with one lot of Nifty and one lot of Bank Nifty, in fact signal, if you are trading one lot of Nifty and if you are trading one lot of Bank Nifty, then you should exit either Nifty or Bank Nifty on target, and other trade, like for example here Nifty he booked on target, Nifty put he booked on target, and Bank Nifty put he hold with the stop loss, he hold till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss. So if this stop loss is hit, he will still not be in loss because he has already booked profit here. But if he is carrying both the trades and both stop loss are hit, he will be in a big loss. So to avoid that, either Nifty or Bank Nifty, book one on target. If you are trading with one lot, book one on target, hold other till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss, with the original stop loss. And if the trader who is trading with two lot of Nifty, two lot of Bank Nifty, two lots of Nifty, two lots of Bank Nifty, one lot he will exit on target, other lot he will carry till 3:20 p.m. with original stop loss. One lot book on target, other lot carry till 3:20 p.m. with original stop loss. So this way he booked one lot here and other lot he carried till 3:20 where day close was 236.25. Bank Nifty one lot he booked on target. This was the target. He booked on target, made a profit of 91904, and other lot he hold till close. Close was 710, and that's why he made a profit 4667. So total profit was 15,000. The person who was trading with two lots, person who was trading with one lot had a profit of 6511. So this is how you will trade you will trade in fact signals. Even the rules on expiry will be the same. Trade with two lots, exit one lot on target, carry other lot till 3:20 p.m. with original stop loss if you are trading the calls of fact signals. Double the quantity of opposite option when stop loss is hit. So these are the expiry rules. So friends, this was the performance of 11th May, and I have detailed about Nifty Express and fact signals in English so that everybody understands how to trade the fact signal, what is the difference between Nifty Express and fact signals. So I hope all your doubts are cleared in this video. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video, and share this video with all of your friends so that they can take benefit of these calls and the demo calls.